What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today we are just gonna kick it old school and do a chit chat. Get ready with me. I feel like it has been so long since I have just sat down, chatted with you guys, and done my makeup. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I also have some new products to test out as well. So we're gonna be checking out some new stuff that just came out and just hanging out together and getting ready. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys like these kind of chit chatty get ready with me videos, and I can totally do more on my channel. Also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. It'll be the first link right down below in the description box. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. So let's go ahead and get ready. So the first major update that I have not told you guys yet is that me and Steven have a new addition. This is Prince. I guess he's a little camera shy, but this is our new baby Prince. He is, oh, you're gonna munch on my hair now, are we? But this is our new baby. He's a Pomeranian and we love him so, so much. And yeah, he has just brought like so much joy into our lives, and I just love him so much. I feel like these lights are really bright for his little eyeballs. But yeah, his name is Prince. I made him an Instagram. It's the Prince of Palm, so you guys can follow him on Instagram and see his pics. But yeah, this is our new baby. Say hi to everyone, say hi. You say hi? Good boy. So yeah, that is our new baby. So I wanted to let you guys know that because I have shown him on like my Instagram and my Snapchat and stuff, but I don't think I have like officially said it on here, so yeah. I actually think I'm gonna get started with my eyes today, so I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna be using the new Natasha Denona Tropic palette. This looks really, really pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at it. Super, super stunning. I'm probably gonna do like a more basic eye look today because it's just more about me like updating you guys in my life and chit-chatting with you. But I can do like a more in-depth tutorial with this where I use kind of some of these crazy colors on the bottom. If you guys wanna see that, let me know. I can definitely do it. But for right now, I'm gonna go in with Fake Tan in my crease. I like that shade name, that's funny. But yeah, me and Steven got Prince about 2.5, almost 3 weeks ago now. And I do have another Pomeranian named Penelope, which I'm sure you guys know if you've been like an OG subscriber and watched me for a long time, or you follow me on like Instagram, Snapchat and stuff. So I knew that I want another one from that breed. Because Penelope does not live with me here. She was like my family's dog, so she does live with my parents. I do see her like very frequently. I talked about this in another video, but I just really wanted a dog that actually like lives with me every day because I don't get to see Penelope every single day. And I just love doggies, so yeah. Then I'm gonna go in with Sahara. It has been a whirlwind trying to train him because he's my first male dog. I've always had like female dogs, but he's actually doing pretty good, I would say. And oh my gosh, I wanna give a shout out to Miami Pooch Pet Boutique. It's actually like a really funny story, but I was looking for a harness for him and I was looking online to try and find like cute ones, and then I finally found one that I really liked at the store called Miami Pooch Pet Boutique. It was like a website and I found it and I really liked their harnesses, so I put in an order for one and like a couple other things, and then the owner actually like emailed me and she happened to be a subscriber of mine, which is like literally crazy that I just randomly like found her website through Google and put in an order, but I guess she realized that it was me, and then she emailed me and she sent me like a couple other things for Prince, which was so sweet. So thank you so, so much. I'll put a link to their Instagram down below, or their website, where you guys can check it out because they have super, super cute stuff on there. But I did want to give them a big thank you for that. That was super sweet of them. But yeah, I thought that was crazy that like the owner happened to be a subscriber. And to deepen up the crease, I'm gonna go in with Coco. The only hard part about having him is that him and Penelope are not like really warmed up to each other yet. Penelope never has really been around other dogs because my family always had only one dog, and she is only 5 pounds, so any other dogs like in our neighborhood, or if I have like friends that have dogs, were like significantly bigger than her, so she could never really play with other dogs. Even in my town at home, they have like a dog park for small dogs, but then there would be like 30-pound dogs in there, which are still like, you know, technically small dogs, but for her, she can't really just like run around with like a 30-pound dog, you know what I mean? So she was never really used to being around other dogs, so she doesn't really understand like what to make of Prince. So it has been a little bit difficult to get them to be like feel comfortable around each other. Like she literally like runs away from him in the opposite direction. She's like scared of him and he just wants to play. So if you guys have any like suggestions on how to like, you know, like get dogs acquainted with each other, I would love to hear, because yeah, I want them to be like, you know, brother and sister, and Penelope's just not about that life right now, so yeah. But yeah, that has been taking up the large majority of my time, especially when we first just got him, because I felt like I had to watch him every single second because he was so tiny. Like he's already grown so much since we got him. When we got him, he was like 1.5 pounds, and now he's probably almost 2.5, I would say. But he was just so tiny, so I was just so scared with like anything that he was gonna like fall off the couch or just like literally anything. So now that he's getting bigger, I feel a bit better. Then I'm gonna go in with this pretty pink color all over the lid. Ooh, it has like a little bit of like blue sparkle in it. That's really pretty. I hope my camera actually picks it up. But yeah, in other news, I got a lot of people requesting me to update you guys on stuff having to do like with my wedding and stuff. If you guys don't know, I'm getting married in November of this year, and I feel like it is coming so fast. Like when we first got engaged, we had so long because we have like about a 1.5 year engagement. We got engaged last May. So I was like calm because I was like, I have so much time, you know, I don't even have to worry about anything right now. And now I'm like, okay, wait, no, we're actually getting like a lot closer, and we're down to like, I guess like 7.5 months it would be now, or 8 months. But we're getting close. So now I'm really starting to finalize like a lot of things for the wedding and actually like really get going. I think we have like most of our vendors booked, and my girls got their bridesmaids dresses like 2 weekends ago. So that was like a big thing that I really wanted to get done. And we just recently started working on like invitations and stuff. So it has definitely been going. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know we did our cake tasting the other day, and that was so fun. That was like one of my favorite vendor appointments because you just got to eat cake, you know? Simple and easy. And then to highlight, I'm gonna go in with this pretty yellow shade. And I'm just gonna pop that into the inner corner. Oh my God, another thing that I get questions about literally all the time, and I've answered it a couple times, but I know like not everybody follows me on Twitter and all that stuff, which I feel like is where I've answered it the most times. But it's about my Say Yes to the Dress episode. I'm gonna go in with the Schwing liquid liner from the Balm to do my winged liner. I probably should not be doing winged liner while I'm trying to like explain something to you guys. I'm the worst at like speaking while doing my liner. That and lashes, I like can't talk while I'm doing it, but I'm gonna attempt. So yeah, so many of you guys have asked me when I'm gonna be on Say Yes to the Dress because the season has like started and stuff already, and I don't know. Literally, I have absolutely no idea. I filmed for it over the summer, and I like assumed that they would like let me know when my episode was gonna be, but I haven't heard anything from them. So I don't know like when the episode is gonna air. Like I don't know if maybe they'll let me know like the week before or whatever. Like I have no idea. They have not told me anything yet. So yeah, my guess is as good as yours. I don't know. I did film for it, and in like the first episode you could see a clip from me. Like they did like a little like thing, I guess, where they're like kind of showed like what the season was gonna entail, and there was like a little tiny like snippet of me in there. So I would assume I'm gonna be on this season, but yeah, they did not let me know when the episode was gonna air yet. So I don't know, but whenever I hear anything, I will definitely keep you guys in the loop. Up next for lashes, I'm gonna go in with these guys right here. These are from a new brand. The brand is called Bold Face Makeup, and you guys, they are like literally changing the lash game. When I saw their lashes and like I used them for the first time, I was like, oh my God, these are amazing. Because if you guys see, like these lashes are like super fluttery and long, which is like what I personally like, and like very wispy, but the band is like so thin on them, which I love. It's so much easier to apply these than like typical lashes that are this fluffy, have like a very thick band, and can make it very difficult to get it on the eye and to get it to like stick where you want. It can be so like heavy on your eyes, but these are like so light, and I'm literally like obsessed. I have like a couple other pairs actually. Let me show you guys. They literally have like a million different pairs. The Bold is Beautiful style is my personal favorite, but then I have these ones too. These are Go Big or Go Home. So as you can see, again, super fluttery and dramatic, but the lash band is so thin. And they also have stacked ones too, which these ones are like crazy thick. This isn't not so basic, but again, like for how friggin' stacked those lashes are, like the band is so thin and they're so easy to apply. I'm like, oh my God, every other lash company needs to like adopt however this company makes these because they're amazing. I'm gonna take the Bold is Beautiful off to show you like what I'm talking about so you can really see. So like, do you guys see how thin that band is? Like normally it's like a big, thick, like black band. And you can definitely get multiple uses out of these as well. Like typically you can with like mink lashes and stuff, but these are 100% cruelty free. So no need to worry about that, but you can definitely get like multiple uses out of these, which I also love, of course. Now if I could just find my lash glue, we could apply them. But yeah, I have been obsessed with these. I'm like, where the hell have you been my whole life? They're bomb. So I'll put a link in the description box like to their website. I believe they are like a newer-ish company. So yeah, it's like literally gonna change the whole way that my eye looks because they're so like wispy and fluttery. I'm obsessed. See how easy that was to apply? And I do actually have a code with them. If you guys use code Kelly, it'll get you 10% off of their lashes. So you guys see how like fluttery and pretty they are on my eyes without like dragging my eyeballs down because they're too heavy. So I am just like literally obsessed. All right, now that the eyes are done, we're gonna finish up on the face. First, we gotta prime the skin. And I have been loving this product from CoverGirl. This is new, and this is their Vitalist Go Glow. I think I tried this out in like a testing new drugstore products video or something, but this is like amazing. I have it in shade number 1. And just make sure that you do shake it up before you use it. I just apply it onto my skin, and it literally just gives like the prettiest glow. I'm obsessed. I'm just gonna blend that out with a beauty blender, like so, and it literally just makes the skin looks so pretty and glowy. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Marc Jacobs So Shameless. I also tried this out in a video recently, and I really have been liking it. At first in the video, I was like, oh, I don't know if I love it, but I actually like really have been liking this. The more that I have been using it, I've really been enjoying it. The shade that I have this guy in is not the same shade that I used actually in the video. This is Y320, and it matches me really good when I'm self-tanned, and yeah, I really like it. It's a lighter foundation than I'm used to wearing, like as far as coverage goes. It's definitely more medium coverage. It doesn't cover up everything, but it looks and feels really nice on my skin, which I like. It like soaks into my skin rather than sitting on top of it, which I struggle with a lot when it comes to foundations. A lot of them just like sit on top of my skin just because my skin is so dry. It just like, I don't know. They just sit like this like cakey mess on top of my skin, but this one just like soaks in really nicely. So kudos to you, Marc Jacobs. And then as I already told you guys, gonna go in with Tarte Shape Tape. I have this guy in light medium, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my under eyes. If you guys hear any loud noises outside, it's the plow people. We literally got plummeted with like, I think the news said almost 26 inches of snow the other day here. So yeah, we got a ton of snow. So they're like currently plowing outside, and if you guys can hear a noise, that's what it is. I'm sorry about that. But yeah, it was snowing literally like crazy, and I took Prince outside and he was not about it, you guys. He literally hated the snow. It was so funny. I put a picture of us on my Instagram and his face is just like not amused. I'm just gonna go in and blend that out with a beauty blender. And I'm using the new like shade, like the new color of Beauty Blender. They made like a teal one, but when I washed it, it kind of turned like more of a green. But yeah, it's the new shade if you're wondering. Also, you guys, another update is that I am going to Barcelona for my birthday. I'm so excited. My birthday is April 5th and I will be turning 25 years old, which is like, what? It's literally crazy. I can't believe I'm gonna be 25. That's like a quarter of a life, I feel like. Hopefully. And yeah, I'm turning 25 and we are going to Barcelona to celebrate. Me, Steven, and two of our best friends. We're all going together and we're actually like leaving on my birthday. So in just a couple of weeks. So I am very, very, very excited. I have never been there. The only place I've ever been in Europe is Paris. I'm just setting my under eyes with Reserve Your Cabana. But yeah, the only place I've ever been in Europe is Paris, and I went there this year, or I guess technically it was last year. I went there in November of 2017. And I loved it, and I was so excited to go back to Europe, and I was like, I really want to go to Barcelona. Like, I've always wanted to go to Spain. I took Spanish, oh my gosh, for years and years and years, like literally from like kindergarten, I think, until like sophomore year of college. So for a very long time, I can't like, you know, speak fluently or anything close to that, but I definitely can like speak a few things. I can understand things, you know, where like when I went to Paris, like I had no idea what anybody was saying ever because I don't know anything about French. Like obviously I learned some things while I was there, but I never took it in school or anything. Like for me, typically you always have the choice between Spanish and French, and I just happened to go with Spanish. So I'm really excited, and I feel like I've learned a lot about the culture because in all the years of me taking Spanish, you learn a lot about Spain and, you know, things to see and stuff. So I'm very excited. I'm gonna go in with fake tan again on my lower lash line. So yeah, none of us have ever been there, so we don't know, you know, where to go or really anything. So any comments, if you guys have been there, you live there, whatever, about places where you think that we should go and visit while we're there, I would love to hear it. Also, if we have enough time while we're there, I would love to try and make like a day trip to Madrid because I would really like to go there as well. I don't know that we'll have enough time, but let me know if you've done that too. I would love to hear. And I'm just gonna go in with the SYTTD Edgiest Up and Out on my lower lashes, just to blend everything together. It literally makes me so sad that they don't make this mascara anymore because the SYTTD like isn't like really a brand anymore, which sucks because I really, really liked this mascara. Now I'm gonna go in with the Baked Bronzer from Makeup Revolution. But yeah, that is really what has been going on in my life, you guys. I am working on a couple things behind the scenes that you guys don't know about yet or haven't heard about yet. One of those things you guys are gonna hear about pretty soon, fingers crossed, and then some more stuff as the year progresses on. So I think it's gonna be a good year. Ooh, and then I forgot, I wanted to try this. This is the Pure 4-in-1 Blush Book. I just got these. These blushes look so pretty. So I think I'm gonna go in with this one in Determined and just pop that on my cheeks like so. And then I wanted to give this a new highlight from Nars to try. This is in Fort de France. But this is what it looks like. It looks really pretty. I swatched this and it looked like subtle, but still very pretty. And normally you guys know I like blinding highlights. So I'm interested to see how I like it on my face. I haven't put it on my face yet. So we're gonna see how it applies to the face because I just did like finger swatches on, was it Insta Stories? Yeah, Insta Stories. So let's see. Ooh, yeah, see that's still really pretty. I knew Nars was gonna come through. I knew they would. It's still actually pretty blinding. Like it looked a lot more subtle in the finger swatch. But wow, yeah, this is really pretty. Then I'm just gonna go in and line my lips. The liner that I'm using is from Stila in the shade Pink Moscato. Then I'm gonna go in with the new lipstick from Urban Decay. I haven't tried this yet. This is in the shade Naked. I feel like maybe I have tried this. Now I'm like, wait, this is in the shade Naked. I've definitely tried it. Maybe when I put it on my lips, I'll remember better. But I know I've never used this exact like tube, but maybe I've tried it in the past. I don't know, I can't remember. And then of course, I gotta do a glossy lip. So I'm gonna go in with the Laura Geller Color Luster lip gloss in the shade Diamond Dust. These are so pretty. All right, you guys, so this is it. This is the completed look. I hope that you liked just hanging out with me and chatting today and getting ready together. Give this video a thumbs up if you did, so I know to do more videos like this. And be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.